PLAY, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how to analyze and trade this. I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for 47,000 videos over 5 years, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. And because I have the data, I've seen what's working and what's not for me. First thing on the list we play is going to be that, no doubts about it, I'm looking to just, it's in a beautiful demand zone, you know what I mean? So how this would look like is very simple. In this demand zone, the only thing that I would better see is a proper double break confirmation. So this will look a little like this. Got the first one. If it somehow corrects down, it gives me the second break, of course I'm going to look to buy more, but it just must happen, right? If it does not somehow happen, well, guess what? I'm not going to be buying whatsoever. I'm sure I have, yeah, it's going to pop up with different ticker symbols, but Dave and Buster's being covered on my YouTube channel quite a bit. So if you do want to get stock picks, tips, and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.